In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Odoo. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to update your image whenever you need to. This is especially useful if you're working in a team and want your colleagues to recognize you more easily in chats, documents, and different Odoo apps. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account and that you're on any main Odoo screen, such as the dashboard or one of your applications. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile area. This might show your initials, a default avatar, or an existing picture if you've already set one before. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A small menu will appear, showing a few options related to your account. From this menu, choose the option labeled My Preferences. This is where Odoo keeps your personal settings like language, time zone, and of course, your profile picture. Once the My Preferences page opens, look for your profile picture area near the top of the screen. You should see either a placeholder image or your current photo. Inside this picture, there will be a small pen icon. This pen icon is the edit button that allows you to change the image. Move your mouse over the picture and click directly on that pen icon. When you click it, Odoo will open a file selection window from your computer. Here, you can browse your folders and choose the image you want to use. For best results, pick a clear, professional-looking photo where your face is easy to see. A square or nearly square image usually works well because profile pictures are often displayed in a circle or a small box. After selecting your image, confirm the choice in the file window. Odoo will upload the image and automatically replace your old picture or the default avatar. Take a moment to check that the new picture looks correct. If it appears cut off or not quite right, you can simply click the pen icon again and upload a different version. Once you're happy with how it looks, scroll down if needed and make sure your changes are saved. That's all you need to do to change your profile picture in Odoo.